Assume the diameter of the earth as x and the diameter of moon as 1/4 of the earth, that is x by 4. Now the radius become x by 2. Then diameter of the moon become half of the x by 4. If the diameter is taken as x and diameter of the moon is taken as 1/4 of the earth, that is x by 4, radius is half of the diameter x by 2, and the radius of the moon is x by 4, ಅದರದ್ದು half means by 2. KCF ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ keep change the division into multiplication, keep change KCF. F stands for flip. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು x by 4 2s 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now the question is find the ratio of their surface area. Ratio means divide. Surface area of earth ಮತ್ತು moon, both are example for sphere. So surface area of sphere is given by 4 pi r square earthಗೆ, divided by, ratio means division, the surface of the moon 4 pi small letter r square. Now 4 and 4, pi and pi will get cancelled. R square, radius of the earth is x by 2. Square means x by 2 into x by 2, divided by r square, radius of the moon is x by 8. Square means x by 8 into x by 8. Now one more time KCF, keep change flip. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೀಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ನ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್. ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 by x, 8 by x. Now x and x cancel, second x also cancel, 2 1 time, 2 4 time, 2 1 time, 2 4 time. Left out is numerator 4 into 4, 16 by 1. That is surface area of earth, ratio means is to, surface area of the moon is 16:1. Surface area of earth is to surface area of moon is equal to 16:1 ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.